If you're looking for a spacious, brand new home, this one is at the doorstep to all of Ryde's sought after amenities. Hi, I'm Chris Panisi, proudly representing Pello on the northern suburbs, and I'd love to show you this home here at the end of Forrest Road. Let's go and take a look. This home really is big enough for the growing family, with 3 spacious living spaces, including this large open plan living area, a media room at the middle, and a further rumpus room upstairs, as well as a huge backyard. It's great for families of all ages. After walking through this home, I'm sure you'll agree, not many compare when it comes to internal size, land size, and convenience of being at the doorstep to everything Top Ryde has to offer. If I can help you with any inquiries, feel free to get in touch. Otherwise, we look forward to meeting you at our upcoming open home.